Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun, exciting video for you guys. So today's video is a clothing haul. This is actually a try-on haul. So you guys are going to be seeing the pieces and how they fit and everything. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications and let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so this clothing haul is from SCBeautyBar, SCBeautyBar 1 on Instagram. All of their information will be on the screen and in the description box below. I've actually worked with this company before and I really love their clothing. It's very chic and up to date and it fits great. So shout out to SCBeautyBar for sending me these items because I love all of them and I will be wearing them a lot more often. I'm also going to be posting some pictures on the gram, so be sure to check those out. Okay, so the first outfit that I am going to show you guys, it is the velvet bodysuit and pants. So this is what it looks like. I got this in a size medium, so the bodysuit is in a size medium, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't have buttons, so you have to kind of just come from here and, you know, get in there. And so yeah, this is what it looks like. It's nice, it's beautiful, it feels great. It doesn't have much stretch, so for the pants, I struggled a little bit because I'm usually like a medium or small in tops, but for the pants, I definitely need a large. These pants, let me see what size. These are in a medium. So these were a bit tight, I'm not gonna lie, but it looks beautiful when it's all together. So you guys will see like a little clip, if not a picture. I forgot, some of the outfits I actually forgot to take a video, so you'll see a picture if there's not a video clip. But I love the way this looks. For me, it really complements my skin color, my skin tone, and it is right on the site. They also have it in like this beautiful blue color here, which so bomb. I was gonna get blue, but it's just like I always get blue because that's my favorite color. So the hot pink is really fire, and I love how the top, it looks like it gives you some nice cleavage, but also it keeps it classy because it still has like the collar and everything, and it's not one of those that you might need the double-sided tape for. I was pretty fine with not having to use any double-sided tape. So yeah, this is actually one of my favorites. I'm definitely gonna be wearing that top a lot, well, that bodysuit a lot. Okay, so the next item I'm going to show you is the Enjoy My Curves set, which is a tank top and some booty shorts. So this is actually another one of my favorites. I think this complements my curves so well, and I don't know what it is about this. It just makes me feel like I want to put on some like knee-high socks and some skates. Like I want to be in like one of those coffee shops. Like I don't know what it is about this outfit here, but it fits really cute. It's nice. I love the color red. I love how the color red looks on me. So this is the tank top right here. It says Enjoy My Curves. And then these are the booty shorts right here. I will not be wearing these outside, but these are good to be in the house. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this around the house, kind of like getting errands done around the house, or I'm editing, whatever. I may pop this on after the video, who knows. But these are super duper comfortable. Usually me and booty shorts, we don't get along because it's just not comfortable. For me, it's comfort over everything. So this one is actually really comfortable. It doesn't ride up like other booty shorts do. And it's just comfy and it's cute. It accentuates the hips because, well, the waist and the hips, because it has this like really strong elastic band here. So you know when we have those thick bands, ladies, for your bellies, it kind of just tucks it in and keeps it all nice. And yeah, so I really love this set. You guys, again, will see a little clip or video of me wearing this. This is actually one of my favorites, like for real. Like when I wear this, when I put this on to take my pictures and for the shoot, I actually felt really good in this. So I really do love that one. Okay, you guys, so for the next 3 items, the name is going to be somewhere here on the screen because I don't currently have them with me. But the next item is this beautiful, simple, yet stands out kind of romper. And this is it right here. It is a graffiti kind of romper, and it is shorts. And your back is actually out with this one, and it is a crisscross spaghetti kind of strap in the back. I think this is super duper comfy. Also, what I love about this, it is super duper short, so I don't know if I'll wear this out, but it is great to be around in the house, and it doesn't create any kind of discomfort being that it is really short. I also love the material of this one. It is it's like really thin, but it kind of feels so cozy and like polyester, and it is also 8% spandex, so it does have a nice stretch to it. So I really like it. It's simple, it stands out, and it's comfortable, and that's all you can ask for from a romper like this. And I think just the design is dope. All this graffiti kind of on it. I really enjoyed wearing this one as well. Again, a lot of these tend to be uncomfortable for me, but this one fit really nice. The next item is very similar to that one, but I really love the color of this one. This one is kind of like a tie-dye color. It is another romper, and the only difference, well, the main difference is that the straps are different. Obviously, the straps are thicker on this one, and you can also adjust to make it tighter. And again, I really enjoy the color of this one. Like, I feel like this actually would look good with like a burgundy lip or something like this. So I really like it. It's really comfy. It's actually the same kind of material. It has a nice stretch to it. This one's a little bit also more loose fitting. Oh, and I didn't give my sizes. Ugh. Okay, so real quick, we're gonna backtrack for a second. So in this one, I am a medium. So the top is a medium, and the shorts are actually medium, which lets you know how much of a great stretch this is, because usually mediums, it's like, it depends on the stretch when I get mediums and bottoms. This is also in a medium, and it fits really nice. And then this one I also got in a medium. For most of my bodysuits and stuff like that, a medium is like the perfect fit for me. And again, these have great stretch, so I didn't have to worry about that for this one. I know I've been saying like a lot of these are my favorites and stuff, but this one, this last outfit, I'm probably gonna wear this a bunch, especially because I'm gonna be wearing this out and everything, and it's a perfect season for this kind of. If you guys know anything about me, I love wearing 2-piece and 3-piece sets. But 3-piece sets with the little cardigan are my absolute favorite, especially to like go out for dinner or anything like that. This 3-piece set, first of all, olive color is a beautiful, such a beautiful color. This looks so good on me. Like, it looks so good on me. It has, the top is actually like a little, it's kind of like, it's not a crop top, it's just short. I don't know what you call that when it's like fit right to your hips, but it just fits perfectly. It's like a little tank top kind of thing, and it fits right. It's not a crop top, it fits like perfect. And also it goes really well with the pants that this comes with. So you guys are gonna see the pants better off in the video or picture, but these pants come a little bit more high-waisted, so it goes perfectly with the shirt, so you don't have any skin out or anything like that, although it could seem like it because of the crop top kind of shirt, but no. Also, this has a nice thick band, so I love thick bands that are like high-waisted, because again, it kind of sucks in a little bit of a gut, and it makes you just feel comfortable. Like, it makes me feel comfortable and good to wear outside and good to wear anywhere. So I really do love this outfit. I also love the material. The material feels super high quality for this outfit. I don't know what it is, but it feels really nice. Like, it's almost see-through, but it's not really. But this is really nice for the fall. And of course, the last piece of this outfit, this 3-piece outfit, is the long sleeve cardigan, which goes up to, I think it goes up to like my knees or something, and it also has slits, and it's really wavy, and like it kind of like loose fitting in a sense, but it feels really good. Like, this is my actual ultimate favorite, and it came right in season for the time, for like the season that I love to wear this. So I'm gonna be wearing this quite often. Like, I'm probably gonna get so sick of it. But that is the last item I have to share. Unfortunately, one more item I had from them, which I don't have with me. It just didn't fit me, so I didn't want to like included in the video, but they have really dope pieces for a really great price. So go check them out. SCBeautyBar 1 on Instagram and SCBeautyBar.com for their website. So go check them out and get you some pieces. So if you guys want to shop any of these items, I will leave the link in the description box below. Again, thank you SCBeautyBar for working with me and for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending me these beautiful pieces, and I hope that you guys will see them again in a future video, because again, I really love the brand and I love their clothing. I love the items. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comments down below. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1, and I'll see you guys in my next video.